Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th looking around environmental studies. In the chapter number 19, let's eat together. In that, in the previous video part 1, we have seen up to main 5. Today we'll see main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. See the question number 1. On which occasions do you eat together with your friends? Answer is we eat together with our friends on occasions like festival days, picnics, marriages, and birthday celebration. Question number 2. When is Uttarayan celebrated? Answer is Uttarayan is celebrated on 14 January every year. See the question number 3. By which other name is Uttarayan known? Answer is Uttarayan is also known as Makar Sankranti. Question number 4. What are the festivals your friends celebrate? Answer is my friends celebrate festivals like Uttarayan, Holi Dhuleti, New Year, Ramzan Eid, Christmas, Navratri, Dasera, Janmashtami, Diwali, etc. See the question number 5. What did the children do for the party? Answer is all of children sat together and ate different types of food items. They played games and sang songs and danced. See the question number 6. Which underground vegetables are used to prepare undhiyu? Answer is underground vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, yam, and purple yam are used to prepare undhiyu. Question number 7. Which sweet do people eat with undhiyu during Uttarayan? Answer is people eat jalebis with undhiyu during Uttarayan. See the question number 8. What is a tithi meal? Answer is food served to school children on the birth or death anniversaries of some loved one by a villager is known as a tithi meal. See the question number 9. Which festivals are celebrated as national festivals? Answer is number 1 15th August Independence Day, number 2 26th January Republic Day, number 3 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, and number 4 14th November Children's Day. Now see the next page. See the question number 10. What does midday meal mean? By whom is it given? Answer is midday meal is a wholesome, freshly cooked lunch served to the children in government school in India. See the question number 11. What do you eat in the meal at school? Answer is we get different food like rice and dal, thepla, सूकी भाजी, खिचड़ी, दाल ढोकली, पुलाव, सुखड़ी, मुठिया, बटाका पोहा, पुडला, ढोकला, उत्तपम, etc. See main 7. Answer the following question. Number 1. Have you ever had a party in your class? When? How did you celebrate? Answer is yes. This year, on the occasions of our Independence Day, we had a party in a class. We had called a cook to the school for the occasions and asked him to cook food for us. We had decorated the class with flowers, torans, and made beautiful rangolis. We had even arranged a cultural program. Now see the question number 2. Have you seen the Uttarayan celebrations at night too? Did you like it? Answer is yes. I have seen the Uttarayan celebration at night too. People fly kites at night and tie small lamps known as a tukkal to them. Some people even burst crackers and rockets. Thus, due to there being a possibility of fire in the night celebration of Uttarayan, I do not like them much. See the question number 3. What things did the children bring for celebrating Uttarayan? Answer is for celebrating Uttarayan, Pinky's grandmother made sesame laddus and groundnut chikki. Pinky's mother made undhiyu. Sejal brought sweet puffed rice, laddus from her house. Tanvir brought more jujube from his farm. Ayush mothers also came and gave fresh boar. See the question number 4. Which aspects are which aspects are taken care of in midday meals? Answer is care is taken to see that children get a hot, fresh, and well cooked midday meal. The grains or other edible things used to prepare it are of good quality. Care is also taken to ensure that food is not wasted. See the question number 5. How is each festival different from the other? Answer is each festival is different from the other by its story, importance, method of celebration, people's like and dislikes, duration of the festival, and by being a festival of one or multiple communities. See the question number 6. State the method of making chikki and undhiyu. Method of making chikki. Jaggery is heated in a little water. Once the jaggery melts, groundnuts or sesame seeds are added to it. This mixture is stirred until it becomes thick. Then the mixture is poured into a flat dish, spread evenly and left to cool after making squares on it with a sharp knife. Once it is cool, the chikki pieces are ready to eat. See the method of making undhiyu. First of all, potatoes, yam, purple yam, and sweet potatoes are sauteed in oil. Then the podded peas, small brinjals filled with gram flour, and cut vegetables are added. All the vegetables are steam cooked in a pressure cooker. Then oil is taken in a pan and all the spices are added to it. Small dumplings made from fenugreek and gram flour are mixed in. The undhiyu is ready to be served hot with puris. Now see main 8. Classify the following festivals into those celebrated by date according to the English calendar and those celebrated on the day and date according to the Gujarati calendar. First of all, we will see the festival name. Uttarayan, Hindu New Year, Republic Day, Bhai Beej, Dev Diwali, Christian New Year, Holi Dhuleti, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Janmashtami, Children's Day, Diwali, Christmas, Ram Navami, Ganesh Chaturthi. Now see festivals according to dates English calendar, that are Uttarayan, Republic Day, Christian New Year, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day and Christmas. Now see the next page. Festivals according to days Gujarati calendar. Hindu New Year, Bhai Beej, Dev Diwali, Holi Dhuleti, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Diwali, Ram Navami, Ganesh Chaturthi. Recognize the festivals shown in the following pictures and write their names. Diwali, Raksha Bandhan. This picture is of Navratri and Ramzan Day. Now see the next page. This picture is of 5th one Holi Dhuleti, 6th one Christmas. Now see the hot question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which of the following festival is celebrated according to date? A. Diwali, B. Raksha Bandhan, C. Uttarayan and D. Holi. Answer is option C. Uttarayan. See the question number 2. Which quality is enhanced in children due to the midday and the tithi meals? A. Discipline, B. Community living, C. Respect and D. Obligation. Answer is option B. Community living. Number 3. Bina goes to her friend Asma's house since it is Ramzan Eid. A special dish has been prepared in Asma's house. Which will it be? A. Rasgulla, B. Jalebi, C. Cake and D. Kheer Kurma. Answer is option D. Kheer Kurma. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.